Good morning, wow kids. So kids, today we will learn about different types of birds. Some birds can fly and some birds can't fly. And today we are going to learn about the different birds. And our first bird is a peacock. This is a peacock. And we call peacock as the national bird of India. And peacock is very beautiful bird because of its colorful feathers. Next bird is a duck. This is a duck. And how does duck speak? Duck says quack quack. Our next bird is a sparrow. This is a sparrow. And do you know what sparrow loves to eat? Sparrow eats grains and insects. Our next bird is a kingfisher. This is a kingfisher. And see, kingfisher has a long beak. Next bird is a parrot. This is a parrot. And parrot likes to eat chili. It's his favorite food. And our next bird is an owl. This is an owl. And owl has a special feature in his eyes that he can see in the night also. Our next bird is pigeon. This is a pigeon, and pigeon likes to eat seeds and grains. So our next bird is a penguin. This is a penguin. And penguin lives in the colder regions. Penguin loves to swim in the icy water. Our next and the last bird is a rooster. Yes, rooster is also a bird. And rooster has a crown on his head. And what does rooster says? Rooster says cock-a-doodle-doo.